name is Rachel, and for this video we have compiled a few handy tips and tricks that will enable you to create the most suitable timetable with ease. If you choose more than the minimum amount of preferences for each activity group, you have a better chance of getting a clash-free timetable that works for you. It also reduces the risk of remaining unallocated to activities after the sort. There may be more than one activity timetabled at the same time, for example, 4 Monday 9 AM tutorials, so make sure you scroll through the options and rank them to your advantage. The percentage sign shows the popularity of each activity. The lower the percentage, the better chance you have of being placed into that activity. Try logging in towards the end of the preference selection period to see the popularity percentage for your units. You may wish to change your preferences based on this information. To make it fair for all students, the preference selection period is not first in, first served. If an activity has a popularity percentage of more than 100%, then more students have chosen that activity than places available. No student, whether they submitted their preferences when the percentage was only at 50% or at 120%, will be given priority over another. If an activity has a popularity percentage of more than 100%, then not all students who selected that preference will receive a place. So make sure that you have chosen other options that work for you to avoid missing out altogether. You have a better chance of getting a clash-free timetable by choosing some of the less popular time slots that still work for you. For example, if you're enrolled in a unit with 300 other students and all 300 students choose the tutorial directly following the lecture, your chances of getting it are quite low. So you are more likely to get the tutorial you select if you choose one that is less popular that you will still be able to attend. You can download the timetable to your device's calendar using the iCalendar link on the homepage of Allocate Plus. Thanks for watching this series of university tutorial registration videos. We hope they have been useful to you in creating your timetables.